Good afternoon, Archbishop. I am Frater Danico Sigalinato from the Mission Society of the Philippines. And I think you know our former rector, Father Ruben Ilago. He just passed away last year. He had given us this slogan or words, let pain be pain. And last year, I also made my own theology, let tears be tears. In your short inspirational talk to us, you emphasize tears. What can be the reality of tears more than just the emotional response of a person, but how can these tears form us as future priests? That's all.
First, it is a recognition that emotions are God's gifts to us, and therefore they need not be treated as treacherous, as traitors, as misleading parts of our humanity. When we were seminarians, we were told to be suspicious of our feelings. We were told to put reason, put rationality over sentimentality. But they call to an acceptance of our ability to cry and also our ability to laugh is an important component of priestly formation because it accepts the reality that all that we have that God has given us can be used for the good and can be used to help us to grow in holiness. That's number one. Number two, tears are not necessarily tears of emotions of sadness or sorrow. Because when happiness is very intense, you can sometimes express your happiness by tears also. So tears can be from pain, tears can be from sorrow and sadness, but tears can also be an expression of extreme happiness that cannot find any other expression except through the tear ducts. So when we accept the reality that we are men with feelings, with emotions, then we also accept the challenge that it is a matter of offering those emotions to God. An example of that, I might steer